Everyone knows the GTO, but what about Pontiac's full-size muscle car? The Catalina packed big power, wild features, and some surprising quirks. Let's dive in. Even the base model Pontiac Catalina came with a 389 cubic inch V8, and with the tri-power carb setup, it pushed out 338 horsepower, enough to make this full-size ride move with serious performance. Pontiac's 8-lug wheels were a unique option that integrated the brake drum into the wheel, improving stopping power. These wheels are rare and highly collectible today. In a true blast from the past, early Catalinas could come with a Sportable transistor radio, a portable radio that you could remove from the car and take with you, like an old-school Bluetooth speaker. By the late 60s, the Catalina became America's third best-selling full-size car, right behind the Ford Galaxie 500 and Chevy Impala. In 1971, Pontiac introduced a power ventilation system designed to keep air flowing even when stuck in traffic. However, owners complained that cold air wouldn't turn off, making it an unpopular feature. The 1972 Catalina convertible was the last of its kind. With a base price of just $4,080, it marked the end of an era and a rare piece of Pontiac history. In 1963, Pontiac gave the Catalina vertically stacked headlights, which added a bolder and more aggressive look to its design. By the mid-60s, the Catalina was equipped with GM's Turbo-Hydromatic 100, a transmission that became an industry standard for muscle cars, offering smooth shifting and impressive performance. The Catalina had power, style, and unique features, but it's still underrated. Would you drive one of these forgotten muscle cars? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more classic car content.